We'll now create an Air application. Open 11star_restaurantguide.fla. This is the same interactive restaurant guide that you created in a previous lesson, with a few modifications to the background image. In the Properties panel, choose More Settings in the Publish Settings section. In the Publish Settings window that opens, note that Air32 for desktop is chosen from the target menu. Click the Edit Application Settings button, the little wrench icon near the target menu. The Air Settings dialog box appears. Examine the settings on the General tab. The Output File field shows the file name of the Publish Air installer. The Output As options provide 3 ways to create an application. The first choice, Air Package, should be selected. Air Package creates a platform-independent Air installer. Mac or Windows installer creates a platform-specific Air installer. Application with Runtime Embedded creates an application without an installer or the need for the Air runtime to be installed. In the Name or App Name field, enter Meridian Restaurant Guide. This will be the name of your published application. From the Windows Style menu, choose Custom Chrome Transparent. Custom Chrome Transparent creates an application that has no interface or frame elements, known as Chrome, and has a transparent background. Click the Signature tab. Creating an Air application requires a certificate so that users can identify and trust the developer of the content. Click the New or Create button next to Certificate. Enter your information in the empty fields. You can use Meridian Press for the publisher name, Digital for organizational unit, and Interactive for organization name. Enter your own password in both password fields, and then enter meridianpress.p12 in the Save As field. Click the Folder Browse button to save it in the same folder where your FLA file is saved. And click OK. Animate creates a self-signed certificate file on your computer. Now click the Icons tab at the top of the Air Settings dialog box. Select icon 128 by 128 and click the folder icon. Navigate to the App Icons for Publish folder. Inside the 11 Start folder, select restaurantguide.png file and click Open. The image of the restaurantguide.png file will be the application icon on the desktop. Click the Advanced tab. Under Initial Window Settings, enter 0 for the X field and 50 for the Y field. When the application launches, it will appear flush to the left side of the screen and 50 pixels from the top. Click Publish. Don't forget your password. Click Publish. And then click OK to exit the Air Settings dialog box. Animate has created an Air installer. The Air installer is platform independent, but it requires that the Air runtime be installed on the user's system. Double-click the Air installer that you just created. The Air application installer opens and asks you to install the application. Since you used a self-signed certificate to create the Air installer, Adobe warns you of a potential security risk due to an unknown or untrusted developer. Click Install and Continue. The application, called Meridian Restaurant Guide, is installed on your computer and automatically opens. Notice the application is positioned at the far left edge of your desktop, 50 pixels down from the top edge, as you specified in the Air Settings dialog box. Note too, the stage is transparent, so your graphic elements float over the desktop, much like the appearance of other applications. Quit the application by pressing Command-Q or Control-Q. You can publish either a Mac OS or Windows projector from an ActionScript 3 or Air document. Unlike when you're creating an Air application, with a projector you don't have publishing options, such as choosing thumbnails for the app icon or specifying a transparent background or initial position. If it's not already open, open 11start_restaurantguide.fla. Choose File, Publish Settings. The Publish Settings dialog box appears. Under Other Formats in the left column, select Mac Projector, Win Projector, or both. Windows projectors have the file extension .exe, and Mac projectors have the file extension .app. Specify the file name and location you want Animate to save the projector. Click Publish. Animate creates the selected projector or projectors in the output location with a file name that matches the output name field. Click OK. Double-click the projector file. The restaurant guide opens as a separate application on your desktop. Compare your projector application with your Air application. Close the FLA file since you won't need it again. You'll use the Adobe Sim Controller and Air Debug Launcher to simulate mobile device interactions within Animate. Open the 11start_mobileapp.fla. Examine the 4 different keyframes in Layer 2. The project is a simple application that announces an imaginary sports challenge set in the familiar city of Meridian. The project already contains ActionScript code that enables the viewer to swipe the stage left or right to go to the next or previous frames. In the Properties panel, notice the target is set for Air 32 for Android. Choose Control, Test Movie, in Air Debug Launcher, Mobile, which should already be selected. The project publishes to a new window. In addition, the Sim Controller application, which provides options for interacting with the Animate content, launches. In the Simulator panel, click Touch and Gesture to expand that section. Select Touch Layer. The simulator overlays a transparent gray box on the Animate content to simulate the touch surface of a mobile device. Select Gesture, Swipe. The simulator is now enabled to emulate a swipe interaction. The instructions at the bottom of the panel detail how you can create the interaction with just your mouse cursor. On the touch layer over your Animate content, drag to the left, and then let go of your mouse button. The project recognizes the swipe interaction and the second keyframe appears. Swipe left and right. Animate advances ahead 1 frame or moves back 1 frame. Close the window.